So in those 40 verses, Rupa Goswami speaks 3 verses about how to practice Raganuga Bhakti, and I describe those in my article. It's the orientation. In other words, we say lobha. Lobha means greed. I want this. You know what? I specifically want this. I remember when I was in Radha Damodar in 1991. I've been in ISKCON 75, 85, 90, 20-some years already. 26 years. I met some senior devotees. There's some godbrothers, 5, 7, 8, were having Mahaprasad. And we had a conversation on the veranda afterwards. And I was inquiring. I said, how do you want to love Krishna? In what way? And first I said, what is your favorite part of the 10th canto, Krishna Lila? Oh, and everyone said, oh, it's all nice, I like it's nice. Someone said, oh, I like Vrindavan. Vrindavan's nice. Madhurka's, So I said, do any of you, and I would ask each different ones, I said, do you have a specific way you want to worship Radha Krishna? You're really driven and you have a taste. Yeah, it's called a ruchi, it's a taste. Doesn't mean nishta ruchi, that's not what it means. Yet kincha ruchi. Jiva Goswami commenting on those verses from the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, he said, yakincha ruchi. Kincha means a little bit. Like we say niskinchan, means he doesn't have even a little bit of desire. So yet kincha ruchi. He just has a little ruchi for a specific taste for this. Oh, I like this. I really like the way the Sakhis relate with Radharani, the way they, Lalita Vishaka, and this whole, the way they talk, and because you have, how do you like that? Either you got that liking from last life, or this life you read these books, you read, Krishna gave you these books, or you associate with these devotees that came inside of you. It's really hard to trace how it comes. If it's from last life, then very early in life it sprouts up. It becomes evident. Early, hard to say what early means, but it becomes very soon. That's why Raganuga Bhakti begins with Anartha-Nivritti. There's 9 stages to prema. There's 9 stages to prema. Whether you practice Vaidhi sadhana, there's 9 stages. Or you practice Raganuga sadhana, there's 9 stages. Ado shara tata sarasanga vajana kriya Anartha-Nivritti tata nishta ruchi tata sakti bhava prema. Then after that there's 7 stages. If you want to go to Radha and Krishna, you have to go to the 7 stages more. So there's 16 stages in prema, Braja prema. Sneha, Man, Pranaya, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. So 9 and 7 is 16. 16 stages. That's why even if you attain prema in this life, it becomes sadhana siddha, you attain prema, still you have to go to Prakat Leela for training. Bhoma Vrindavan. Training, higher prema training. Talk about training, Raganuga Bhakti training. There's prema training. Deepening and expanding the prema. So you'll take birth there and you'll be in your Siddhadeha. And then you go to school, Lalita's Prem school. There's school, there's some teaching. The Sakhis are teaching Prem, Sakhis and Manjaris. So when Krishna wanted to learn Prem, he came as Gauranga, and the Sakhis and Manjaris, they taught him about Prem. Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari taught so many things through his writings, which Lord Chaitanya heard. Then Vishaka Sakhi, she taught so many things to Krishna Chaitanya, as Ramananda Roy. All the Sakhis they taught.